wanna do is adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, if I may, if I may.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel today. And autumn is very much approaching us, and it's really cozy and rainy and not so warm anymore. So I decided to do baked pumpkin, one of my favorite recipe. I loved it when I was a child. I love it now. It's more like a sweet treat on a cozy evening or an afternoon when you just stay in with a blanket, watch a good movie and have some healthy snack. And we're gonna make these baked pumpkins. I'm gonna show you the easy and the quickest way to make this yummy. And this is what we're gonna do. If you're new to my channel, then my name is Yvette. I am a certified ketogenic health coach, and I am delivering one-on-one coachings to my clients and getting them to able to manage keto on a healthy way on a long term, and of course as a plus point, lose a bunch of weight. I do videos just like this one, easy, quick, delicious keto recipes and low carb recipes. I share my weight loss journey and tips on keto and intermittent fasting, and here and there I do product reviews. So if you like what you see here, then hit the red subscribe button there and the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And now let's get cooking. One of the very first requirements is to preheat your oven to 200 Celsius and get your apron because this is gonna be messy. Get a good cutting board, your pumpkin and a really sharp knife, and now we're gonna make slices. Probably I will cut this in half first. It's like a horror movie type of thing. Be very careful with your hands. It's really not easy to slice this up. Voila! It smells so good. It's so fresh. And now we just cut slices. Very good. If you want, you can make the whole pumpkin in the oven. If you want, you can make half and then bake the other half. Now I am gonna make the full pumpkin because my family eats everything I make. So I wanna make sure I have something left over for myself. All right, now all of them is cut up. Okay, and now you can just take away the insides. You can do before you cut it up or now, it doesn't matter. Like this. I personally like to leave a little bit of hair like this in it, but you don't have to. Okay, let's speed this up. Okay, they are done. Now we will place them onto the tray with some baking paper. And now we just place our pumpkins on the tray. I like when they can stand, so I will try to make them to stand and help each other. Okay, good. And now you put them into the preheated oven on 200 Celsius for 2 to 3 hours. I know I said it's quick to make, and it is because you don't have to be bothered by it. You just leave it in the oven, you get other things done in the house, and by the time you are done, this is done. And when we get closer to the end of the baking, I'm gonna show you a trick how to make them extremely delicious. But now let's start them in the oven. Our pumpkins are getting ready. The truth is, I think that was a younger, fresher pumpkin because it got much quicker than usually it is. And yeah, there is 39 minutes left from the 2 hours baking. And if you look into the oven, they look pretty damn good. And I'm gonna check them with a fork and see if they are as soft as butter, and probably they will be as soft as butter. Yeah, they are as soft as butter. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the final touch on this, and we're gonna sprinkle a little xylitol or monk fruit on them, just on the top to make it a little bit sweety and crunchy. And it's not gonna interrupt with your blood sugar level, and it's not gonna do anything with your insulin level on that way. And it makes it so delicious that it's perfect on a cozy night. And this is what we do, and then we will put it back for 5 more minutes. Alright, so you just use a spoon and just sprinkle a little bit of xylitol on the pumpkin. And we do that because usually pumpkins are not tasting so sweet. I mean, it depends on how fresh it is. But yeah, usually you need a little extra. And this is perfect for Halloween, this is perfect for Christmas, or just during the winter months. Okay, here I put a bit more, and maybe you got a bit more. Okay, good. I think this is done. And now we are just gonna pop it into the oven again and wait another 5-10 minutes, and they should be perfectly done. Okay guys, this is ready. This is how it looks. It's amazing, crispy, and smells delicious. Okay guys, here they are. They are looking super delicious, and they are very delicious. You need to wait a little bit until they cool down, but then you can just eat them. And it's so yummy, you can't stop eating them. It's a little low carb, perfect snack, and it's just really good to have pumpkins around autumn. If you wanna see more of these videos, give me a thumbs up. And if you have anything to say, or if you tried the recipe, then comment below, and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.